Hello everyone. In this video we'll go through design customization on our directory. The theme designer lets you customize your directory's appearance. We have the color theme. We can choose which mode you want your directory to be in by default. You can choose the system, light or dark mode. And you can enable show theme toggle to let visitors switch themes from your directory navbar. We have also the layout theme. Right now, in the time of recording this video, we have two available themes. We got the classic one and the fixed sidebar one. And the standard theme is usually used for niches like AI tools, directories, SaaS tools, directory marketing tools, developer tools, and so on. As for the other theme, with the sidebar one, it's used for local businesses like restaurants, real estate agents, legal services, home service professionals, directories, and so on. But you are not required to follow this specific convention or choice. You are free to choose wherever theme to wherever use case. Moving now to the layout customization options, where you can design how your directory's content, typography, and visual elements are displayed. Under layout configurations, you can control how listings appear both in the grid view and on individual listing pages. Let's start with the listing card design. That's on the home page. Here you can choose between different styles for how your listing are displayed. The standard layout shows the logo and content side by side, while the business layout focuses more on visuals, featuring a larger photo along with the key business information. The business card design is ideal for local directories, as mentioned earlier, because people who choose the second theme with the sidebar, it usually comes with the business card design. But you can change that. You can choose to have a sidebar theme, but choose the other card design. It's totally optional. Next, we have the individual listing page layout. You can choose between the standard layout, which offers a traditional structure, or the business layout, which is optimized for showcasing local businesses. The business layout includes a hero image with the live status, dedicated contact information, operating hours, and located details. Finally, you can adjust how many grades columns to display in your listing section. You can select between 1 and 4 columns depending on your preferred layout and the type of content you display. And once you're done configuring your layout, you will see all the changes updated in real time. When everything looks good, just make sure to save changes to apply them permanently to your directory. Moving now to typography and branding, which allows you to personalize your directory's text styles, colors, and overall visual identity. First, choose your design mode. You can switch between light mode and dark mode depending on which version you want to customize. Here we are currently editing the light mode. Next, set your main directory color. This color is used for important elements like buttons, links, and key interface components. For example, if you select orange 600, all your main action elements will adopt this color. Then you can customize your hero section gradient. This feature lets you control the background gradients when no image is used. You can define both the start and end colors to achieve a unique background effect. If you prefer an image instead, you can upload a hero background image, which will automatically replace the gradient. You can also adjust the background opacity to control how visible the image appears behind your content. Moving now to hero typography, you can change how your tagline and subheading appear. For instance, you can make the tagline bold with a green 500 color, and set your subheading to a normal weight if you want, with a different shade, like let's choose Emerald 800. You will see all these changes instantly in the live preview. Next, under logo text styling, you can choose between a solid or gradient text style. You can also select the colors, such as let's say purple 900, and preview how it looks in real time. If you want to use an image for your logo instead of text, simply upload it under logo upload. You can even set separate logos for light and dark modes to keep your branding consistent across both themes. Once you have finished customizing your typography, colors, and branding, make sure to save changes. This will apply your new design permanently to your directory. And please keep in mind that all the customization we've done so far are applied only to the theme mode that you have chosen in the beginning. So you should really be careful with this, because a lot of users, for example, choose a dark mode and start customizing, and when they go to the their public directory, they don't see their design implemented properly. The reason for that, because they are viewing on the wrong theme mode. For example, they have customizing for the dark mode, and they are viewing on the light mode. So one should be careful with that. We have effects setting, where you can add some animations and background elements to make your directory more dynamic or visually appealing. It gives you some quite a modern touch to your directory. Under animations, you can enable or disable different motion effects across your directory. For example, we have the gradient space animations that adds a smooth text reveal effect to your hero section, giving it a modern and engaging look. We have also the light motion animation. Next, we have background effects, which lets you control decorative elements that appear behind your content. You can choose from several options, such as colorful shapes, which display like a polygon style shapes in the background. We have the grid shape, which adds a geometric grid pattern overlay to your hero section. And we have the dot pattern, which gives a subtle dotted texture for especially in the hero section, for a clean and professional finish. Experiment with these effects to find the right balance between style and performance. Once you are happy with the results, just save your changes to apply them permanently to your directory. I think that covers it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.